Hello everyone. Welcome to this English learning video. Today, you will learn 30 common daily English questions and answers. Let's start. What is your name?
My name is Ali.
Where are you from?
I am from Turkey.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Where do you live?
I live in Konya.
What time is it?
It is 3 p.m.
What are you doing?
I am studying English.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and listening to music.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Where is the bathroom?
It is over there. How much is this?
It is 100 lira.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
Do you have any plans?
Yes, I have some plans.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. How do you go to work or school?
I go by bus. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is kebab.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like watching movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. Have you ever been abroad?
No, I have never been abroad. What did you do yesterday?
I studied and watched TV.
Are you busy right now?
No, I am not busy.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sure. What's your phone number?
It is 05512345567.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I am going to study.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax and meet friends.
What kind of friends?
My old university friends.
Do you go out?
Yes, we often go to a cafe or cinema.
That sounds fun. Well, it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. See you later.
See you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.